guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having a problem installing GCash in 2025, don't worry, this quick guide is for you. Now go to Settings, search for Apps, click All Apps and search for Play Store and click Force to Stop. Then go to Storage and Cache and select Clear Data. Next, search Google Play Service. Also click Force to Stop, and also clear data and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, open Play Store and search GCash and install. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more 1-minute tutorial.